Even the most successful of today's Fortune 500 companies, from banking to manufacturing, are looking for ways to become faster and more cost-effective in order to remain competitive. They realize that they must be flexible and ready to adapt as their industries change. Modern successful companies must therefore continuously change or re-engineer their business process. Because information technology is one of the key elements to a successful re-engineering effort, the greatest benefit comes from technologies that provide for seamless re-engineering of both business systems and information systems. Object technology makes this happen. Object technology is all about objects, and object-oriented systems perform through interacting objects. Objects more closely correspond to real things of the problem domain. Object-oriented models and systems provide better cooperation between end users and system builders because they understand each other through the language of objects. Dr. Ivar Jacobson is a long-term practitioner of object technology and author of 2 best-selling textbooks on the subject. Throughout his career, he has established a new direction for the future of object-oriented business and software engineering.
Our mission is to provide a technology that allows customers to re-engineer their business processes as well as their information systems. The information systems and the business processes must be re-engineered in parallel. They are too integrated to be dealt with separately, and Objectory is a very good way to do that.
Objectory is a commercial technology for system development based on the object-oriented paradigm. It involves modeling software by initially looking at the user's needs. A user may be an employee accessing information to help a customer, or it may be the customer getting information through a home computer or ATM. Designing software around the way the computer system benefits the customer is the whole idea behind Dr. Jacobson's use case-driven approach and a significant key to successful and competitive software engineering.
The very first picture you should make of your company is a usage model. You should design your company to be used by your customers. Every way a customer can use your company is treated as a use case. Use cases are therefore a very precise way to capture the business processes of a company.
Another very important expectation of object technology is achieving systematic reuse, a concept few companies have successfully implemented. Systematic reuse improves a business's productivity, quality, and time to market by reusing all existing work assets, programs, and specifications. Object technology enables systematic reuse, but only when applied as part of a mature lifecycle approach.
Object technology has created very high expectations to deliver reusable software components. Unfortunately, very few companies have succeeded in making this happen. A systematic way to achieve substantial reuse is to start from your business objects. These business objects form a powerful platform for reuse across all your information systems. Systematic reuse based on Objectory will deliver dramatic quality and productivity gains, and even more important, shorter time to market.
As companies look to the future and how they will fit into the future, they must be innovative in their search for a competitive edge. Simply designing new software applications won't give the desired results, but doing it with an overall business and systems engineering approach based on object technologies will.
Object technology is a very powerful technique. However, as always, the application of the technology must be just as efficient as the technology itself. Objectory is providing the most powerful way of applying object technology. However, we do not stop with only that. To secure the success of implementing Objectory, we also provide knowledge, experience, and training for how to implement it in the best possible way.
A common mistake many corporations make is developing new software to improve their business without looking at the total picture of how it relates to the way they do business. Object-oriented technology is revolutionizing this process, and Objectory is the company that knows this technology best. For software development and business process re-engineering with professional consulting, call Objectory today.